Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we actually have a new Estee Lauder moisturizer. It is the new Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Bright. If you'd like to hear about this new moisturizer, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started regarding the Revitalizing Supreme Bright. So I'm going to educate you guys as well as myself because I'm teaching you and I'm teaching myself as well with the details on this, and then after we go through the details and a few ingredients, then we'll go ahead with the application. Okay, so this moisturizer is youth boosting. It's going to give you really nice radiant skin. It's going to restore the bounce and also refine the texture of your skin, minimize dullness and discoloration in your skin. So there is also beauty berry extract along with vitamin C, and those two together, like, they target deep down in the skin to help dig up those layers of dark skin. So basically they help brighten those dark spots. So there's also malignant extract, which is going to help produce the collagen in your skin. There's calcium, potassium, of course vitamin C, there's amino acids, omega-3, so there's tons of vitamins and minerals in that malignant extract to help with your skin. So the claim on this is for 2 weeks that you will see the reduction in dark spots for all skin types, of course. And this size right here is a 1.7. The 1.7 is $88. So the first ingredient in the product is water, which we all need water. Water is good for the body and is definitely good for the skin. Keep your skin hydrated. There's also a sonolin. It's just the emollient to help to keep the ingredients in the product together. So that is enough of that. We're not going to dig too much deeper into the ingredients. And of course, you guys know, anytime you use a moisturizer, you need to, of course, use a serum underneath it. You guys know the serum I love is the Advanced Night Repair. But a couple videos back, guys, you guys saw I did a review on the Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Serum, and I did a before and after, and this got great results with this, guys. So if you try this out and you love this, you are going to love this moisturizer. And guess what? The two together is the perfect duo. So you can partner these together and just really get that brightening in your skin. So I have a little bit of this left in here, so I'm going to use that along with this. I use my Advanced Night Repair along with any new product, any new serum that I use. This is going to be the foundation of my skincare. This serum is just going to maximize anything you put on top of it. It's going to make it perform a third better. So again, that's the foundation of any of my skincare. My skin is cleansed. I'm going to go ahead and tone, and then we'll get into the products. And I do have a couple dark spots on my skin, so I love doing before and afters with you guys. Of course, I'm not going to go through this moisturizer in a couple days or even a week, so that'll be a little while before I can follow up with that. And a lot of times I'll just use the product and like mesh the videos together, but I'm not going to do that for this. I'm just going to upload this one now. And then once, I'm trying to decide, because it does say you'll see a difference in the dark spots in 2 weeks. So maybe I'll come back in 2 weeks or maybe even a month. So we'll go ahead and get this video out and then come back in 2 weeks or a month. I feel like I've neglected my skincare routine probably in the last week. So I need to get on it. Especially those days, sometimes where you're not doing anything or you're not wearing any makeup or anything like that. Those are the days that I tend to neglect my skin. So I need to get on it because I want to make sure I take care of my skin, and my skin can be the best for me. Okay, so we have our toner. We're going to go in with our Advanced Night Repair. You guys know I love this stuff. Usually 1 dropper is all you need. Again, I keep mine in my skincare fridge, which is getting really full. All right, we're just going to it's funny. I sometimes when I do my skincare, I can feel my skin accepting the products. If skin could talk, what do you guys think your skin would say? All right, so that's our Advanced Night Repair, and I'm gonna try to get a little bit out of here. Not much left, but I'm gonna try to get what I can. Definitely just a little scraps down at the bottom. That's okay. I'm okay with scraps. All right, so I got enough of that to apply over the skin. This feels so good and soft on the skin. All right, serums are on. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna sanitize my lash applicator. You guys know I use the end of this for a spatula. The end of this here is a spatula, so I'm just gonna clean that because I don't like digging my fingers in my moisturizers. Don't like it. So why not use a tool as a spatula? All right. So top is off, and actually there's a little seal inside. Let me see if I can turn it to the side so you guys can see. Or you can see it there. There's a little seal on there. So I'm just gonna take this up, and a lot of times when I open the product, there is product on side. There's actually plenty on there. I'm gonna scrape some off, and then we'll just use what's on the top. There you go. All right, so we're just gonna use what's on there, and it's already kind of cool because it's been sitting here in my basement. All right, let's smell it. There is a fragrance, but it's very, very light. So if you're sensitive to fragrance or scent, I think you'll be fine with this. And it feels lightweight. Feels soft on the skin. And remember guys, get your neck as well. So you can see skin looks really nice and hydrated. I'm going to do my makeup and then come back and let you guys know what I think about. All right guys, so I'm back. Come back and update you guys what I think about the moisturizer. So again, this is the Revitalizing Supreme Bright. It is a brightening moisturizer. It has beauty berry extract and vitamin C, moringa extract. Again, tons of vitamins and minerals for your skin. Well, the beauty berry and the vitamin C is what's going to penetrate into your skin to help with the dark spots. If you have the vitamin C serum, this is the perfect duo to use together to help with the dark spots you may have. Again, I will link this review. I will link that up in the card so you guys can see that. But I like the moisturizer. I use just the regular Revitalizing Supreme that we have, so I know I'm going to like this. Again, I do have some dark spots on my face, so I'm excited to use this so it can target my dark spots and brighten those some. Now guys, let's not get out of hand. It is going to help brighten those dark spots, but it's definitely not going to take them away. But anything I can personally do to get my skin at its fullest potential, I'm going to definitely do that. So I will be using that, and then I will also be following up with you guys in a couple weeks or a month on this product. Of course, I love the product. I love the product. I love a lot of my skincare, you guys know, is from Estee Lauder. I do work for the brand. I am a believer when I work for the brand. and supporting the brand. So definitely I'm a supporter of Estee Lauder. Again, I love their products from skincare to makeup. I love their products down to the lippies, but you guys know that. So if you guys have any questions about this product, definitely drop your comment, your question down in the comment section. If you're interested in buying this product or any other product by Estee Lauder, please reach out to me. A lot of you guys know that I work for Estee Lauder. I can send you what you're looking for and also send you some extra goodies along with that. So this is something that I'm definitely going to continue to incorporate on my channel, because if I can get you guys the product and also get you guys some samples of some other things that you might be interested in, I'm going to do that. Funny story, but not funny story. I actually had someone, and I don't know if it was from my TikTok live that I recently updated or if it was from another product review that I did with Estee Lauder. Anyway, I either left the information or she found the information, because I do mention sometimes that I work at Macys in West County. Anyway, she tracked me down. She placed an order with me. She was all the way from New York. I'm all the way here in St. Louis. That floored me. I was really appreciative, and guess what? I sent her a whole nother extra gift. I don't even think she knew about the gifts, but I sent her some extra gifts because I felt like if you go out of your way to find me, like I'm going to give you the best customer service I can. So again, I appreciate you guys supporting me. Yeah, so if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, please follow your girl at LRH Makeup on both of those handles. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.